In this video, we're going to set up the YoloBox Pro standalone mobile unit. I got my Manfrotto tripod. And I've got my 244 mini. And I'm ready to go, ready to record. We have internet. And we have the Rode Wireless 2. We got the Rode, and then we have the wireless to go with it. 2 wireless mics. Ready to record. So my YoloBox is turned on. I'm already logged in. I'm going to go into live stream mode. Going to create YoloBox. Create the live stream. So it's creating the live stream. It creates it locally and in the cloud. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to set up my live stream. So here I can broadcast to YouTube, Facebook. So I'm gonna go YouTube. I'm gonna make it unlisted. So I'm gonna stop the recording here on the camera and I'm gonna record on the YoloBox. I have a Sony ZV-E10 here. So I want to review the physical setup here. So I'm using a Manfrotto B3 tripod, and I have the 244 mini arm connected to it with the non-slip or non-moving grip here. And then I have a Condor Blue quick release so I can easily set this up. Here I have a fluid drag head for the camera, and I have the Sony ZV-E10 connected here. This is the full setup. Notice I have no power connected here. I did connect the power to the camera here. Over here I have my Sony E10 on a Manfrotto tripod. Same setup. And then I have quick disconnects here for my HDMI going directly in. And then I have power, external power. And I carry one battery for this one. I have an HDMI cable going from the E10 into HDMI 1, and then I have from the E1 going into HDMI 2, and then the phone is plugged into HDMI 3. I have my Shure MV7 connected here. So as you can see here, I have my audio set up. So I'm recording on the USB-C. So I'm gonna go down and make sure that that's turned on, and I have it turned up to the max. I don't have my headset plugged in, and I have my program turned on to the max. So that's fine for audio. So all my audio is gonna be coming from my Shure MV7. Now I'm gonna go over to my overlays, and I have some overlays already programmed. And so also I have here where I'm going to go to, I'm gonna broadcast to YouTube, and I'm gonna go unlisted so I can go live here. So I had it originally set for 10 o'clock. It's recording now, so I can start fresh if I choose to start fresh here. And then I can switch automatically between cameras. I have my loop sources, and I can tell it just broadcast the program directly out. So if I should turn this on, then you would only see the final output on this recording. But I'm gonna turn it off so that you can see the screen. And that's it, I'm ready to go. I'm live. So in fact, I will go ahead and add this live in and say go live. Actually, I'm going to start, it's not 10 o'clock yet, so I'm not starting early. Alright, so I'm gonna start at 10 o'clock and go through this. So I can invite guests to join my live stream here. I can email this link to myself and then share it with whoever I want, or I can put their emails in and then share it with them. For me, I find it easier to send a link to myself and then forward it to who I need to forward it to. Alright, I believe we're ready to go live. I'm going to test the cameras here. So on this camera, this is my E10, so this will capture me here. So I have my camera centered on myself, and I should put my glasses on. And here I have my phone. So I have my phone connected here, and then here I have this camera that's pointing here. So I'm going to change the broadcast now and tell it to record out. So, hi, my name is Samuel Robinson. In this video, I'm going to show you how I create a portable setup for my YoloBox Pro and my Sony E10, along with my E1. And here, I'm speaking to you right now on the E10, and I'm showing you what's going on with my E1, pointing at the YoloBox Pro. And then I have my phone in case I need to show something on the phone or use it as a camera. And this is to demonstrate that I can walk into a restaurant or any venue and be set up in just a few minutes to record and broadcast live. My name is Samuel Robinson. I trust that this information was useful. Let me know if you want to see more content like this, or you prefer more food snippets.